Hello everyone and welcome to another one of my boring videos. Every once in a while I'll get a request for a cooking video, and I hate cooking. I want to let you know that right up front. I hate cooking. The only thing I don't mind doing, when we used to have our cookouts years ago, is cooking on the grill. I didn't mind doing that at all. I don't like cooking. I like eating. I want eggs and home fries or something like that. I'd rather go out and get them. I don't want to prepare them. But today, I'm not very good at anything when it comes to cooking. Of course, I'm not good at a lot of things, but that's beside the point. I'm going to attempt, well, I've done this before, to make an egg sandwich on some beefsteak rye here. And you'll see the comedy effect, not intentionally, when I try to break eggs. Half the egg comes out the outside of the frying pan, and the other half goes in when I break it, and usually ends up on the stove. So I'm going to have to be more careful because we've got our new stove here. And I certainly don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to be doing a egg sandwich cooking video here, and don't ask for any more. I'm just in the mood to do it now, and the wife is out with her best friend. It's a ladies' day out today to go to a ceramic show. That's what they like to do. And Tommy is out with a friend of his today. So I'm here in the house. Another rotten, rainy weekend. I've just about given up on yard sales. I put a few dollars into my PayPal account, and I'm going to go back on looking on eBay for things, I guess, because this is like the third Saturday in a row. There's just no yard sales around. There's just none. It rains every damn weekend, or it's cloudy or something, and rains on Sunday, so there's nothing on Jewett City, and, I'm getting pretty disgusted with the damn weather every weekend. So anyways, I'm staying in today, and I'm going to make you an egg sandwich. You'll see how the old goat, how bad he is, and you see why he hates cooking. I have the rye toast ready to go into the toaster here, and that's the hardest part of doing this, is I don't know when to put the toast down, because a lot of times the toast will pop up a lot sooner than our eggs are ready, and sometimes it's the other way around. Alright, the first thing I do, get the eggs out of the way here. I put my butter in this is a Teflon pan, one of my wife's new pans. I don't know how much to put in, but I put enough in to do that, and just to let it melt a little. Put the stove on. Let's see now. Front burner. Flame lights instantly. Boy, what a difference from the other stove. Okay, we put it down real low here. We let the butter, make sure I'm still recording. Yep. That's a woodpecker you're hearing. You got the vent up here, and you can hear it. It's vented to the outside. Okay, so we're melting the butter. A little bit here. The worst part is breaking the eggs. So I learned not to do them. I used to bang them on the end of the pan like this, and half the egg would go on the stove and down in the burner, and the other half would go in here. It amazes me. I've been to restaurants where they just crack the egg. Sometimes they'll do two in one hand. I can't do that. If I break them here, they're going to go probably all over the dish here, raw egg. So I really don't know where to bang them. Try it there. I'll have shells in it, I know. I broke one. Put my thumb right through the egg that time. We'll put this in the garbage. Okay, now we get a spatula, plastic one of course. The stove is a little off level. The old stove was slanted towards this way. This one's slanted this way. I'm not going to worry about it. Now, being that I'm making an egg sandwich, and I guess I got to put the toast down. This is why the timing's going to be off. So, it don't matter if I break the yolk here because I'm making an egg sandwich. Put a tiny bit of pepper in it. I don't use salt. Things are too damn salty as it is. It looks like this is going to be done way before the toast. And I got to butter the toast yet too. Not really sure how to make an omelet. It's not an omelet. I can't make an omelet. An egg sandwich. I just throw them together. You still recording? Yeah. This is a boring video. I don't like cooking. I have to make that very clear because I don't want any requests for cooking. I won't do them. All right. Put this rye bread away here. Take the rye toast and turn it around in the toaster because the rye bread only 3/4 of it gets toasted and you got to turn it around to get the other part done because the bread is a little big. It's a beefsteak rye. Still recording. I'm doing it in 720p. This is going to be a little dry because to turn it so you can see it here. Alright. I don't think the toast is going to be done. It'll be hot bread, but we can't let this go any longer. We're going to end up burning it. So, take the toast out. Well, it's just barely toasted. That's my egg sandwich. This is all dried up stuff here. I'll let that sit and I'll clean that afterwards. Alright, now the rest is not going to be videotaped, because all you're going to do is see me film my face. What I'm going to do is I didn't butter the toast, damn it. Well, we'll butter one side. See, I'm no good at cooking, I'll admit it. I was supposed to butter this first, but that's alright. It's not a big deal. I don't even know if I'm in... No, not in camera, of course, naturally. Story of my life. Okay. Anything I put ketchup on, I never put ketchup on egg except when it's an egg sandwich. A little bit here. A little bit there. And that's it. And there you are. Old 64 goats, egg sandwich on rye. Thanks for watching. This is a once-in-a-lifetime video. Don't expect any more of this type. Have a good day, everybody.